We will take a break in the Reclining Hero Pose. Sit on your knees. Then put your bottom between your feet. Place your hands behind you. Move your bottom in the direction of your knee a little to lessen the arch of your back. Lower your elbows. Lie down. Rest your arms next to your sides. Now, ask yourself, does this feel good or does this hurt? If it hurts, you can straighten out one leg. You can stretch one leg at a time. Move your arms over your head if you feel comfortable. You can widen your chest more. Hold your elbows over your head if you feel comfortable. You can widen up your chest more. Let your chest get wider and wider. Allow your chest to widen. I am free from my worries. I have the freedom of my own kingdom. Feel your bottom becoming heavy, more grounded and stable. Notice the heaviness of your bottom. I am confident and trust myself. Tighten your stomach a little. Feel the tightness of your stomach. I feel energy in my core. I am ready for anything. I am prepared for whatever happens. I am creative and have enough motivation. I am willing to try new challenges. I am able, capable, and have lots of potential. Now, my spine is becoming long and strong. I can feel my spine lengthening more. I can feel the full length of my spine. I have a strong, unshakable axis. I have dignity. I am dignified. Now, relax your shoulders. Your shoulders are relaxed and dropping toward the ground. Take it easy and enjoy your natural brightness inside of you. My body is becoming lighter, and I can feel bright light within me. Relax your neck and let go of unnecessary tension. Let go of your ego. Be aware of how your body feels. Feel your lips. Feel how relaxed your upper lip is. Feel how relaxed your lower lip is. Imagine a gentle breeze blowing onto your lips. Enjoy the gentle sensation on both of your lips. You are free from any worries and anxieties. Feel your eyelids. Feel your upper eyelid. Feel your lower eyelids. Feel the contact point of your eyelids where your eyelash is. Close your eyes and let your eyeballs relax. Empty out your mind. Slowly place your elbows onto the mat. Press your elbows on the mat and come out of the pose slowly. And come back into the sitting position. We will take a break in the reclining hero pose.
Sit down on your feet, then put your bottom between your feet. Place your hands behind you. Lower your elbows, lie down, rest your arms next to your sides. Move your arms over your head if you feel comfortable.
We are reclining heroes. So let's say, I'm Superman! Super Ultra Heroes! Super Ultra Heroes! Superheroes, superheroes, that looks comfortable! Ultra heroes, that looks painful!
How does it feel? Does it feel good or does it hurt? Good, it feels good. I can hold it longer.
Then stay in the pose for some time.
Ouch, ouch, it hurts. I can't hold it any longer.
Then come out of the pose.